Hi everyone, it's Lisa O'Neill from Growing Your Baby, and today I'm excited to take you on a tour of the Generations Riviera Maya Oceanfront Luxury Suite. My room was in the first tower and on the 5th floor. To the left of the doorway, there is a large bank of closets and also a very spacious bathroom. When you enter, there is a stand-up shower with a rain shower head, his and her vanities, and a 2-person jacuzzi. The living room has a small dining table, an oversized pull-out couch, and a 47-inch screen TV. Parents looking for a little bit more privacy can pull the wooden divider to separate the space. The main sleeping area comes with either a king-size bed or 2 doubles, an entertainment hutch, and another 47-inch screen TV. Just tucked away on the right-hand side is a beverage center, which comes equipped with a coffee maker and also a mini fridge. As you can see, it's stocked with a variety of beverages and also some great snacks, which can be replenished every single day. At 722 square feet, this is definitely one of the biggest hotel rooms I've stayed in. But the best feature by far is the fact that every room at Generations Riviera Maya has an ocean view. From my 5th floor balcony, I had a perfect view of the ocean and could see clear across the resort. Thank you for joining me on my tour, and be sure to watch our channel for the full resort review.